Hi friends, I'm Jason, the marketing professor, and I teach everyone from the student to the CEO the essentials of digital marketing in 5 minutes or less. Let's get started. Today I want to talk to you about the difference between having a digital marketing strategy and a digital marketing plan. In another video, I talked to you about some words of wisdom I heard several years ago that, well, may not really have been so wise. This person told me, hey, don't panic, make a plan. And at the time I was like, wow, these words are golden. But then I realized a plan is really just a bunch of words on a piece of paper. But when you put it into specific action, now it's a strategy. Okay, so what are the real differences between a strategy and a plan? Well, in your digital marketing space, you could use your plan to talk about, I just want to put things on social media. Sorry, my pen is not coming out the way I want it to. Oh, okay, you want to put it on social media, or maybe you want to put it on streaming television. Jargon time, it's called OTT, or over the top. Put that down here for your reference, okay? Or, again, part of your plan, we're going to do a post every day online. All right. So we've got a plan. Going to do stuff. But your strategy is actionable. Your strategy is where you're going to get really minute. And maybe for your strategy, you're going to specifically talk about what you're going to do. You're going to do 3 posts a week on a specific offer that you may have. Or better yet, you're going to have something on OTT, that's your streaming television, every month. And you're going to change that content again for a specific offer that you may have. Or maybe you're going to create some content every month. You're going to host it on your website. And it's going to be a downloadable PDF on how to save $150 on your next kayak purchase. Wow, somebody downloads that. Now you've got an email address, which brings us to the next point. You're going to build your email list. With content. And maybe you're going to grow your presence online with YouTube. This is a strategy. That's specific. Shoot, that's just darn near scary. If I'm the competition and I hear, hey, they've got a plan to come against us, what's that plan? Well, they're going to do some stuff on social media, they're going to put some stuff on streaming television, and they're going to post stuff online. I might go, ooh, boy, they're on it. But if I hear they've got a strategy to go against us, oh, really? What are they doing? They're going to post 3 times a week over a specific offer. They're doing a streaming television campaign on a monthly offer, and they're going to change their content every month. They're going to create a new downloadable on their website that they can use to build their email list. And they're also going to build themselves up as an authority using YouTube with new videos every week. Whoa, now I'm scared. Do you see the difference between having a plan versus having a strategy? Part of me wants to go back to that former mentor and say, remember what you said to me? Instead of having a plan, I want to encourage you to have a strategy. Can't do it now. She's the competition. So I'm having a strategy. She's having a plan, and she's shaking in her boots, and I'm not. So which side are you going to be on? Are you going to have a strategy, or are you just going to make a plan? I encourage you to build a strategy. Hey, if you like short courses like this, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit the like button as well as subscribe and leave me a comment. If there's something you want me to cover, I'd be more than happy to do that for you. You can also find me on all the places on social media and on my website, themarketingprofessor.net. Thanks a lot for joining me today. I'll talk to you next time. See ya.